So we start out today's video with this DIY by Miguel. Looks like he has some type of canvas here. Gets to work with some black paint. Ooh, going in with the sparkles. So he's got like the disco stickers here. Oh, wow. And then he just puts on a mirror. This is like perfect if you like a lot of glamour to your home. This is beautiful. I love this idea. Such a cool masterpiece. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Children Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be checking out some clever DIY project ideas that you can try out this week. Happy Valentine's Day, by the way. Loving these little candy hearts with this candle. So here we have all the items being used for the next project. So they have like an old container here, these wooden sticks. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna guess right now that they are making wall sconces. Because I think I've seen a similar DIY being done before. Oh, wow, I was totally off as a planner. Wow. I totally thought this was going to be a wall sconce. That's funny. This is cute, though. I like it. I like the way it came out. So here we have another DIY by Miguel. So he has some wooden hoops here. Spray painting them gold. Everything is better in gold. Everyone knows that. So he has a wooden base here. He ends up painting that part black. Or like a really dark gray. And then he glues the pieces onto the base. Oh, nice little table decor. I love this idea. The simplicity of this is just like anyone can do this one, but it looks like a nice glam decor piece. I love this idea. Very cool. All right, so we have a bunch of cardboard here. Wait a minute. Okay, they made some type of lighting. I'm so confused. Okay, did they make this out of cardboard? Whoa. Wow. Okay, this is bananas. Wow. This is really clever. Like, how do you even come up with this idea? The only thing with this is that I wish it was spray painted a different color so that you wouldn't know. Like, obviously, it looks from far away, it looks like yarn or rope or something. It doesn't even look like cardboard. I think that's what's really throwing me off about this one. Wow. What a cool idea. Now that is a cool way to recycle. So we have some type of weird candle holders here with a chain that they used. How did they get this chain to stand up like that? Okay, so here's the chain. Okay, so I guess whatever they're using here stiffens up that chain so that it stays. Oh wow, this is really clever. I love the edginess behind this. This is really like rocker chic, like unique decor piece. I love it. Okay, so we have a boring vase that they found, or vessel, whatever you want to call it. And they are spray painting it and adding in some rope. Oh, okay, so they braided the rope. And then they did the stone. Not sure how I feel about this one, to be honest. I don't dislike it, but it is kind of, it's throwing me off. I'll just say that. It almost kind of looks like it's like sitting on it in a way. I don't know. Very interesting design. What do you guys think? All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.